Hello, welcome to InkyBay. Today we are going to show you how to set a name and number field on a product so that customers can add name and number on that particular field. Let's show you how to do this. Go to product, then choose the product. Let's say we want to add the field on the back side, so click on print area. Go to mark area, select name block and number block. So we can adjust the position and height. Click save and let's check it. So this is our designer window. So let's click on back. Let's try adding some name and number. Select name and number. Let's change the name, say John, and number say 007. Click save. See, the name and number just set on the exactly preset area. This is how you can set the predefined position for name and number. We can add graphics below there, and we are done.